Many small businesses struggle with marketing. You may have a great product or service, but if people don't know about it, it's hard to grow. The good news is that the right marketing tools can save you time, help you to reach more customers, and make your business grow faster. In this video, I will share some of the best marketing tools that can help small businesses improve their marketing without making things too complicated. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the best software to grow you online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to explore the tools that mentioned in this video. By using the description link, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's get into main part of today's video. Let's begin with a tool that helps you to manage everything from one place. GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing platform that can manage leads, build sales funnels, create landing pages, send emails and text messages, book appointments, and automate follow-ups also. It is a great choice if you want to replace several marketing tools with one platform. The good news is if you want to try GoHighLevel, then you can check out our affiliate link from the description. As a benefit, you will get the 30 days free trial instead of regular 14 days, and you will get the live bootcamp access, and with that you can get the free bonuses from GoHighLevel to get started. So if you want to try GoHighLevel for free, then definitely check the link from the description. And let's look at a tool that is well known for email marketing. That is GetResponse. GetResponse makes it easy to build an email list. It is also make things easy to create newsletter, design landing pages, and automate your email campaigns. It also includes marketing automation and sales funnels, making it a good option for businesses that want to stay connected with their customers. Now let's talk about your website. Every business needs a fast and reliable website, and Hostinger makes it easy to get started. You can register a domain, you can buy hosting, you can build a website, or even you can use AI to create your site faster. A good website is foundation of any successful marketing strategy. We are getting close to our final recommendations, and it is Canva. Canva is one of the easiest design tool for small businesses. You can create social media posts, advertisement, presentations, flyers, logos, and many other marketing materials without needing professional design skills. Its drag and drop editor makes creating content simple. And finally, there is a tool that can help you to create content much faster, and that is Jasper AI. Jasper AI is an AI writing assistant that can help you to create blog posts, marketing emails, product description, social media caption, and advertising copy. If creating content takes too much time of your project, then Jasper AI can help you to speed up your workflow while giving you ideas for your marketing campaigns. So which one should you choose? If you want an all-in-one marketing platform, then GoHighLevel is a great choice. If email marketing is your priority, then GetResponse is worth considering. If you are building your business website, then Hostinger is a reliable option. If you need eye-catching marketing designs, then Canva makes the process much more easier. And if you want help creating content faster, Jasper AI can save you a lot of time. You don't have to use every tool at once. Start with one tool that can solve your biggest marketing challenge today. As your business grows, you can add more tools to improve your marketing system. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Hopefully this guide helped you to discover some of the best marketing tools for small businesses and made it easier to choose the right ones for your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description for the useful tools and resources. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.